Alright, so over here we have an oddly shaped polygon. And let's just say that this is a playground. So we add some monkey bars, right? So, how would we find the perimeter of this playground? Well, for starters, the perimeter is just adding up all the side lengths, right? That's the basic definition of what perimeter is. So, if we see all the side lengths here, we can just add them all. So we see 7x, sorry, this should be minus 3. Add the next side length, 3x, perfect. The next one is 3x plus 1. And then the final one is 6x plus 2. Alright, so luckily for us, it's just all additions. So right here, all additions. So all we gotta do is just remove the brackets, right? So we have 7x minus 3 plus 3x plus 3x plus 1 plus 6x plus 2. Alright, perfect. So now we have to find the like terms, right? And we have to put them beside each other to make it simple, right? We want to, the final step is basically to collect all of them and add them all together. But it's much easier if you could see them side by side, right? So we find the x terms, right? So we see a 7x. We also see a 3x. We also see another 3x in the third side length. And finally we see a 6x, right? So this is our first group. Our next group will be the constants, which is just minus 3, right? And then we see a plus 1, perfect. And we see plus 2. Alright, now all we gotta do is just collect like terms, right? So, 7x plus 3x plus 3x, that gives us 13x. Oh, I'm sorry. There's another 6x by default. So 7x plus 3x plus 3x plus 6x, that will give us 19x. And then we add up all the constants, minus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Oh, actually, that just cancels out. That's all that cancels out to 0. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So this is the general term for our perimeter, 19x meters. Which is actually really nice because we just have to do one operation to find the perimeter. So if I were to say, let's just say that, I don't know, let's say x is equal to 3. Alright? So what's the perimeter then? Well, the perimeter is simply 19 times 3, right? Which gives us 57 meters. So that is the perimeter if x here is equal to 3.